What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how this really cool thing in Photoshop can really impact your photos and your illustrations, your designs, whatever you want. So let's get right into it. You go to your libraries panel. If you can't find it, go to window, go to libraries and just find it there. So go into it and press the plus sign. So you'll see this thing called create from image. So let's click it. So the best thing to do is have a colorful photo, or if you want any other photo, just use that. But I mean, color looks really cool, as you can see. So what this does is, if you want to scale it up and down, you can mess with it. It creates a kaleidoscope effect. It's you doing it on the patterns tab. So what it does, it takes a portion of the photo and has stuff from it. So if you look really closely, you can see the girl's face over here, but we have a kaleidoscope here. So you can do different things, just mess with the patterns, and it'll create it from there. So you go to color themes as well. It'll also take colors from your photo and you can mess around with it to create a swatch. So if you just go save to CC libraries, it'll save and then you'll have that selection of colors for later. If you go to gradients, same thing. So you can just select portions of the thing and it'll create a gradient for you. So let's just go back to color themes and we can go save to CC libraries. And you can see it saves right there. Let's do the same for gradients. Save to CC libraries, we have a gradient. So it's a really simple, easy way to kind of keep colors that you've used in other images. If you want to use it for other images, the same image, you have it there, it's backed up, it's there. So it works really well, and it's something that's I've discovered recently and that I'm going to be using a lot more, and that's something that will save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe so you can get more of these videos and see what's happening. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.